Hey YouTube, it's Amari here from Three Slay Sisters.
I say congratulations. Work so hard, forgot how to vacation.
Today, as you see by the title, oh wait, what happened to him? I don't know what the title is right now, but I'm vlogging because something is gonna happen today. Today is the 23rd or something, I don't know. So, y'all saw, and I'm so sorry, but I have like three videos I did not upload or edit yet. I have like 2 that I edit, but I upload 1 that I didn't even edit. Like, I don't know what's been going on. It's just like the time, I don't know, but I'm sorry for it because I don't know, but all of them videos will be dropped today with this one. Like you'll be watching that one, then this one. Like and in that other vlog when I was like they all gonna be dropped too. Sorry. But yeah, when I was like they're gonna be dropped 12 something, that's why I speeded it up. Don't even some grit on my face. Don't even listen to that part. But they're gonna be dropped today. Be watching this after this. So this might not be dropped today, but you will see it. So as you see, I just got out the shower. I'm in a t-shirt. If you ever see me in a t-shirt, that means I'm not going over. I'm not doing nothing. If you see me in a t-shirt, that means I'm not going nowhere. I'm not doing nothing. Or if you ever see me in a t-shirt, that means I literally just got out the shower. Just lotion, just put on under clothes. Yep, that is what's got out the shower. Not just, but I got out the shower. And yeah, I'm about to go get dressed. Hold up. Sorry. But as I was saying, today I am going out. No, I'm not going out to eat. I might go out to eat, or my Gigi Ma is cooking a big dinner, and I think I'm going to the movies. I know for a fact that I'm going to Sky Zone because I just got out the shower for that, and I just got out the shower just because I'm clean and because today's a new day. But yeah, I will let y'all know. I will have an update for y'all. But yeah, see y'all when I get some news. We are we're in the garage. Then we're about to go to Sky Zone after this. We're gonna get lunch. We're gonna get lunch. Yeah, Carolina Kitchen. Then we're going to Sky Zone. So see you in there. I am so sorry, guys. We are now just leaving Sky Zone. I should have been told y'all when we was eating. Oh shoot, when we ate, but yeah, we ate. We had some Carolina Kitchen. Shout out to them. They had some good food. And we about to leave Sky Zone. We just finished jumping. They couldn't have cameras or anything on the jump area where you jump. But please, no, I will do the closing when I'm home. But yeah, I'll see y'all when I'm in the car. Okay? Hey, wow, it's very, very dark. Hey, y'all, well, I'm not in the car, but I just got out the car because we're here at my house. So, I'm just in a trunk. Kidding. Well, I don't need my big bag. Well, yeah. See you in the house. I know it's dark, you can't see me, but I will see you in the house. So, y'all, I'm in the house. Please like and subscribe for more videos and vlogs. Peace out.